In class, we've been working on factoring quadratic trinomials by using the x method. We've also talked about the fact that the x method will not work if there's a number in front of the x squared other than 1. Today, we're going to be working on how to factor problems that have an a value not equal to 1. Now, this has come up, but we've usually dealt with it by just pulling out a GCF. If you look at this problem, there is no GCF. There's nothing in common between 2, 11, and 5, so that won't work. What we're going to learn today is called the 5-step method, and I'm going to walk you through that. Step 1, you will multiply the first and third coefficients. Whatever sign is in front of that last number has to come along with it. So in this case, it's going to be 2 times 5, which gives us 10. Step 2, you want to list all the factors of that number. So the factors of 10 are 1 and 10, 2 and 5, -1 and -10, -2 and -5. Step 3, we want to choose the factors that add up to the middle term. In this problem, it's going to be a positive 11. That means I'm going to select 1 and 10. Step 4, I'm going to rewrite the original problem, but instead of writing 11x, I'm going to split 11x into the 1x and the 10x. Make sure you include the x's in that middle term. A common mistake is to leave the x off and to just write the 1 and the 10. That'll throw off your results. Now, you may notice that the polynomial we just created has 4 terms. What we learned last week is that factoring a polynomial with 4 terms is done by grouping. So we look at the GCF for the first 2 terms, which is x. That leaves us with 2x plus 1. Remember, whatever sign this is, bring that down. And the GCF of the last 2 terms would be 5, which again leaves us with 2x plus 1. Step 5 is your final answer. You make a FOIL problem using the GCFs and the parentheses that they have in common.